Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday, dinner time with the hubs, you know, the usual. Like, I spend so much time with him, but you know what? That's my person, right? Okay, so if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, let's jump into it. And I want to do something quick because I am starving.
Right on. One order. One order ribs.
No. One rib.
One rib.
I sure am hungry.
And somebody use this palette from Play the Makeup by Yolondo. Collab with Barbee Tingz or Keandrea Taylor. I think I'm going to this shade right here called Screwed. And this is T83 from Makeup Shack. Can put this here. Whenever I put my guts, just know it's time for cook. This palette is actually perfect because it's not super little, but it has a big old mirror and it's light, so you can use it. And this is a T4. I'm thinking things, just things. And just keep on buffing it to make it, you know, seamless. I don't have a lot of lid space. Dude, I like bust up my ears yesterday, but anyways, I digress. Just keep on building it up and then to kind of get what you want. Because sometimes you want to build the shapes up because if not, just look crazy. Now I'm gonna go back to Screwed. I'll just keep on darkening it up a bit because it's going for a certain look. I want a lot of glitter glue and I'm just gonna put this right here. And this is a T48 and I think I'm gonna go into Unicorn, which is right here. And then I'm just gonna put this. But this shade is a little bit dense. Like so. I need a small brush. And this is a Y208 and I think I'm gonna use Influencer, which is this shade right here, to kind of buff it up. Oh, that might be too bright. Just make sure everything is nicely blended. And then back to Screwed. Because you want to make sure that it doesn't look like you have all these shadows, even if you do. So, and then back to Influencer. Like so. And then I'm gonna go back to Unicorn. Like so. So this is perfect. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about Miss Glossier as soon as I can find my phone. So it is called the Glossier Stretch Foundation. So let us, it says it's true to color, which I think that's what that non-comedogenic means. But I feel like, oh my god, this might be light. This might be light. Buying foundation online is the worst. It's like it's the worst. Yep, this is light. This is light. Oh my god. So this is my C20 from Jeffree Star. This concealer, to be honest, is like a really good concealer. I just don't like that I have to order it and wait. I used to buy it when they carry it in the store, and they don't anymore because Morphe closed up all their stores. Well, at least the one that was in Austin, Texas. So now I'm just like, this actually it doesn't do anything much here. So I'm just gonna blend this out, and then I'm gonna go in with my quickie just to get a little bit of brightening, nothing crazy. Let's see if this is even gonna be. Nope. This I actually use when I'm trying to do like a no makeup day, so, but this is not today because this is not gonna give me that contour that I want. And if you guys are interested, this is actually from Chanel, and it is it's just a glow situation, but this is $3.90 tan bronze, but it just doesn't give me like what I'm looking for right now. But it's not bad. It's perfect for a no makeup day. And let me blend this real quick. This will work. This is a 733 concealer brush from Luxie. And I'm just gonna like blend this out. This is such a good concealer. Jeffree Star, if you watch my videos, which I'm pretty sure you don't, but let's find a way to bring this in store. Ulta, Sephora, because that literally will make or break like whether I get something or not. It's if I can get it in the store. And if I can't get it in the store, then I don't want it. Just want a little bit here. And let that dry up. Let that dry up. And let me go in with my tan tour from Huda Beauty. I already hit pan with this, so you know I like it. And I'm using a E5 from Morphe. Again, guys, I'm pretty sure they don't carry this brush. I haven't looked for it and I don't see it. And I know like a couple people have asked me for it, and I'm like, oh. I think E meant Elite. It was like the Elite series, and then I don't know what happened. I don't know. There's a lot that happened with Morphe over the years, and I have no idea why they got rid of this, because this was like literally like their best brushes. But I don't know. Morphe had a lot going on. Who knows? And let's blend this concealer. I don't know, I feel like last night I slept really bad like on my neck, and that always happens like when I get like new pillows. Then I'm gonna set this with my powder from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's just a setting powder, but I use shade 1 like so, and I just like I'm literally using this to set. I don't really bake. I feel like for mature skin, baking isn't, and that's the category I fall in. Let's use this. I'll use Blondie from Huda Beauty. This is another one of those Frankenstein powders that I butcher because I'm just oozing with patience and I just wanted to wait for the powder to fall off when I tap it. Ooh. And then let's go in with my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. Since I bring on that foundation all the way down, I'm gonna make sure I bring my powder all the way down. So this is from Buxom and it is called Shakeout. Stakeouts. That's what I'm gonna put on my lip. And now we're gonna go into this. This is from House Labs and it is shade Cerise Matte. And I know it is bright, but so let me put Woodstock in my waterline from Urban Decay. And let us buff that nice and quick. I'm doing like the hardest part or the part that takes the longest, and then we're just gonna bronze and we're done. Well, bronze, blush, and highlight. But we should be done in like 10 minutes. Let's go into Screwed. The faces though. And then I'm gonna go in to Unicorn and I'm just gonna bring it down. Right here and just bring it here. And just bring it here. This is my Jumbo bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. So I feel like the more I use this, I'm not even making a dent. I'm not making a dent. We're gonna use this brush from Ray Morris. Just buffing up nicely. Just trying to make sure, you know, I get a little bronze situation going because my foundation was a little bit light. And then let us do something for blush. Peppermint. Oh, burnt pepper, sorry, from MAC. Just dust off a little bit, just a little bit. The little highlighter, just a little bit. So this is so pretty. So this is from Lancome and it is the Absolute Powder. But it's, I don't really use it all over my face. I just use it for like a highlighter. Because look at this. Like let me just kind of, like, it just melts in the skin. Very subtle but very pretty. Very, very pretty, see? It just melts, which I love. So I don't put this all over because I wouldn't like it like that because I don't really like my entire face to be shiny like this, but as a highlighter it's perfect. And to set everything in place, I'm gonna go ahead and use my one size. Okay, so that's it for this video. I like how everything looks. like everything I think it's looking nice and kind of simple and cute. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.